It's something, I ain't gonna lie. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Hi guys, it's the Island Girl and I'm back with a reaction video for you today. And yes, today we are reacting to, this is Rally 17, the best scene of rallying, pure sound. Somebody dropped this into the comment section and they even told me to go over to Mr. M's channel to get this one. So thank you for this request. We're about to dive into this one. So if you're new to my channel and it's your first time here, come on in, right back. Put a smile on your face and enjoy this reaction with your Island Girl. Don't forget to go into the comment section and tell me what you'd like me to react to next, as it will be done. All right? Here we go now. Ooh. Wow! Right off the bat! This is crazy! Dang it! Ooh! Wow. 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 What in the world? I'm sorry guys, I know we just started. That just went by so fast, it's not even funny. And then he's on ice. You got to be kidding me. I'm sorry, I know I'm getting excited, but now this is what I'm talking about. Wow. Dang it. Wow. Dang it. Look at this thing coming, man. Dang it! Man! Dang it! Whoa! That is... Oh, man! What is that? Hold up. 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 As somebody had already explained to me in the comment section, that when I saw there was a next person explaining to that person what turn is coming next, how fast. Can you imagine how fast that person has to be talking? Well, no, just me imagining. I'm getting excited. Let me slow down. The excitement is killing me. Just imagine that person beside you, how fast he has to speak. Remember, these are turns that are coming up. You know, you're at his mercy, telling you what to do, where to go. This is just, holy cow. This is just, We're 1 minute in and I'm yapping away. I know, guys. Here we go. And look how narrow this car space that he's going through. This narrow space with so much speed. All right. Let me calm down. Here we go. Golly. Wow. Wow! Ooh, there are people! This person is just standing there. Wow! This is crazy. This is just ooh. Man! Wow! Dang it! Just happened a while ago. Look, guys. Look at these people in the road. Wow. Man. Wow. Golly. Man. Ouch. Ouch, 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 ouch. Ow. Dang it. Wow, this is crazy. Crazy rush. Crazy holy cow rush. Like guys, woo. I know. Woo. Man, that speed, how fast. Guys, these people in the road, they're just standing like there's no care in the world, and these vehicles are coming full speed. Wow. Man. Look at this car on the... Woo! Yeah. Man. It's crazy. Wow, that is too cool. Wow, guys, it's like I'm driving just... Wow, and he's giving a thumbs up, you know. Golly. If this narrow road, wow. Man. This is everything. Ooh. Look, guys, the sound is everything. The sound is amazing. I don't know how they do it, but the sound in these narrow places is just, oh man, I don't know. It's just crazy. You have me on the edge of my seat over here, like, ooh, and I'm looking ahead. I'm telling you, you gotta be so skilled to do this. They have skills, man. This is what I thought. This is just beyond me. This is some real stuff, man. Look at this. Look at that. Okay. Ooh. Golly. Man. Look at this. Ouch. Look at this. Ooh. Look, the weather don't stop these guys. Woo! And he stopped. Man. Come on. Golly. Man, that's like an airplane. Look at this. This is just... Golly, look at this. Wow, it's like I'm driving, guys. I'm looking ahead. Man, look at me. Golly. Wow. Look. You have to trust that person in the front to give you that. Look at this. No.
Itävallan Sepp Haider vetää siinä Opel Karitilla 2 kertaa katon kautta kerien takaisin pyörilleen ja matka jatkuu aika hukkaan noin 15 sekuntia.
And there he goes. And there he goes. This is crazy. Man. Listen, skills, man. These dirt roads, it's just, look at this.
Ew.
Oh. In the water? He's in the water. Man, I'm telling you. It's something. I ain't gonna lie. I love it. You gotta trust that person you're sitting beside, or you have to have trust for that person that's driving. You as a person telling him which way, which turn, what. This is just awesome, guys. That's all I'm gonna say. This is amazing. Thank you guys for requesting this. I really appreciate it. Like I said, don't forget to go into the comment section. Tell me what you'd like me to react to next. If you like this video, there's a thank you button underneath this video, guys. If you have liked this video so far, you can donate to the channel if you wish to do so, as it will go towards buying a camera and getting me a better mic. So hope you guys enjoy this one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button if you haven't done it already. It's your island girl. Come on in, right back, put a smile on your face and enjoy this video with your girl. I'll catch you in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.